welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be going for an exploration again. We will go to Aravali Biodiversity Park, which is in Gurgaon, and it's 11 kilometers far away from where we are right now. We are in Vasant Kunj. We heard it's a good place to explore and even a good place to ride bicycle, so we will go there. At the same time, we will enjoy the peace and calm of the nature. So we want you to explore and enjoy with us. We are getting ourselves ready to move out with our bicycle. This is Mr. Resulu and Dopa over there, and here is Joy. So we are a team of 4. Stay tuned, watch till the end, and if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing. Nasty, I need a mask. Titorni metro station. Look at him pedaling hard. Come on, bro. Sweating, already sweating. Look how big the horn. Wow. We have reached the destination. This is the highway. From highway go to the left like this. They say the entrance is free. This is how it looks in the inside. This is the entry gate. Hey? मैं ngom से रह गया भैया अंदर साइकिल चला सकते हैं हाँ अच्छा यहाँ रखना पड़ेगा गूगल्स में कुछ फोटो देखा था वो लोग साइकिल चला रहा है ना इसलिए चल रहा था बंद हो गया अच्छा अभी बंद हो गया 1 साल हो गया वो 1 साल हो गया बंद साइकिल चलाना बंद हो गया This is the Aravali Biodiversity signboard. We are giving a parking space for bicycle as well. We thought we could ride it, but so unfortunate. कोई एक्सप्रेस तो बगल हम लोग तो जमा बिद्दाई मोर है संजीवनी तांग आ रहा है देखिए यार दिखा दो ऑटो ही है साइकिल लगा नहीं मां पासपोर्ट नया के लिए तो 2 किने 이거 부서져 될 거야. 하나왜 사이클 보라고 파스포트 줄로 하네 나. 하여튼 다들 뷰디데. sunrise viewpoint, sunset viewpoint 누가 뭐 보다 왜? 좀 뭐라냐? 구글 리서치 좀 뭐라. 이게 뭐마? Starting point. What is this place? Zeta or kaidara. Cycle tour vale thì farm na chưa chứ na. Trail sa time mo poli pa siya ban so ju cycle point pa mo ju. It's already been 1 year, which is banned for cycling. Kulu Pahadi hai mountain. Kulu Pahadi Bundi Tiraha mountain ni palai wo Kulu mountain ne hai ta lasa hai Pahadi is mountain acha Hindi mein kati pe ne wo Oh, we have reached. Huh? Sunrise view है. अच्छा, sunrise point. Kulu Pahadi. Cool dustbin. View na इधर ngolon thaiso mana. YouTube ni ngolon ne. Very nice, right? Nice. Nyala pe view zo ngau pe ta hai. Stay hydrated, guys. Learn from him. Such a cool place. the view. The sunrise point. We will show you the sunrise now. Can you see there? Such an amazing view. Hello guys.
Hello, where are you from?
We are from Manipur.
Manipur.
Yes. Are you guys enjoying the view?
Yeah, Manipur.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
We are just studying.
Studying.
Yes.
In which university?
We have already graduated. We are like appearing for SSC exams or some like public exams. Yeah? What are you guys doing? Working or?
I am working. I'm in ministry. I'm a stenographer.
What?
Yeah.
Stenographer?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Ministry.
Nice.
Are you preparing for SSC CGL or something else?
CGL, CPO, and even CHSL.
Okay.
It's tough though.
No, not tough.
Not that tough, but we need some labor, no? Okay.
In every field it takes labor, no?
Right.
Whatever you want to go, you have to do something for it.
Well, by the way, what's your name?
My name is Pankaj.
Pankaj.
Yes. What's your
My name is Sasho.
Sasho.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sasho. Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Yeah.
Wanna eat orange?
No, thanks. It's fine. Thank you so much. You're so generous. He's so generous. These people, friendly people. You guys are from Haryana or Delhi?
I'm from itself Delhi.
Delhi. Oh, you?
He's from UP,
Ah.
but right now he's working in Delhi.
Look,
Take it.
orange. Thank you so much, bro.
Are you YouTuber or something?
Yes, I have a small channel.
Small, it's okay, bro. Every big channel starts with a small channel.
Right. You're a very positive person.
Yeah. What's your channel name?
Sasho Kizao. Sasho. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you so much. I'm so lucky, guys.
No.
So then you guys enjoy the view. We will go and explore more the sunset point and all. This is
bye,
the
bro.
sunrise. Yeah. Bye, bro. Take
Are
care.
you on Instagram?
Instagram, yes, but I don't have much followers. I'm not really active on Instagram.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Yeah, see you guys.
See you.
Take care.
Bye.
Namak. Okay. Thank you so much. Kalau kau pun sebab chance berada ni.
No, my thing alone. Tahu ya, mah.
Very soon.
Rate 1 to 10.
Huh?
Rating 1 to 10.
Rating 8.5. This is one side. This is another side. See the bench. You can come here and rest. Take the cool breeze and enjoy the view. This is Aravali Biodiversity Park. Hello guys.
आप कहाँ के रहने वाले? जापान, चाइना?
नहीं, मैं तो मणिपुर से हूँ. Direction, look at the direction. We are from Manipur. We often get that question. I'm going, guys. Dara. We often get that question whether we are from China or Nepal or Japan, something like that. We always get that question. But we are from Manipur. Watch out. They are going that way. No entry. Tilo pago ma. Kini po chuchu mo wane. Holo pago entry khai pa bole se. So we are going right back to where we entered. In case if you want to follow me, this is how I look like from the back. ये क्या बना रहा है? क्या बना रहा है ये? अच्छा, they are making water fountain. This is the foundation. क्या हाल है आज? बढ़िया है?
सब बढ़िया है. Where are you going?
We are just exploring the park. We might go to the sunset point now.
Yes.
You know English?
Something.
Little. You know little bit.
Yes.
That's good. Where should we go?
I nursery.
Sunrise point. This.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to the right.
Thank you.
Zemedi hi actor ma de hana na ni to. Ngo show pe to we show ju mo ne. Close up view. Government bop to ऐसा करना ज़मीन सालों पे government service नहीं सही लोग पे हनारे मैं सो background music पानी पे तो वे very romantic happening. What a view, right? So peaceful, so calm. Sunrise ka tabai so ito. We thought this is the sunset point, but this is sunrise point again. Already getting tired. Kupila point what view point bim na. Kulan ro mane ho. Hey. We are here to the sunset point. What's up? Hello. Yes, hi. This is the sunset point. What we see here is nothing, just the view. We can still go below. Let's go. Hello guys, enjoying the view. See, this is the view. You guys are visiting here for the first time or पहले बार आए हैं इधर?
नहीं.
अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर है ना जगह. For confirmation, this is the sunrise point.
ये क्या हुआ?
Hãy phim, देखो, hãy phim thì cycle vào lại trên跑ngay mà lấy tao nào chứ, cycle cứ tạo lại thì tạo nó ra. But we still enjoyed the view, so it's not a loss at all. Basore, we enjoyed a lot. If you guys are around here, you guys can visit the place and taste yourself the peace and serenity of the nature. Review. Basore mo cycle tel mo ma ba ma. For this vlog, I think this will be the end. We will take the exit from here, then we'll right back again. So thank you guys for watching. Take care until we meet again in next video. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. See you in next video. Bye.